So this was the next set that was there in the last week AM, which I felt we should take it up in the session. Okay, as I told you, among the arrangements, the other ones that were there in the examination I felt were fairly easy. Okay, now these two were the little challenging ones. So let us try it. 10 persons E, F, K, L, M, N, R, T, V and W are sitting in 2 rows with 5 persons in each row. So these people are sitting in 2 rows. Okay, so here there is 1 row and here there is another row, and there are 5 people in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people in this row and 5 people in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are saying one set is facing south, right? So north, south, east and west. So south means facing this side, north means facing up. So these are the 2 sets of people. All of them, each person in a row faces a person from other row. All of them like different books. These are the book names that they have given. Next, now let us look at the information that is given here. The people who like Hangwoman and the Life of Others sit opposite to each other. P sits opposite to E, who likes Flood of Fire. So I am first writing this down here. See, I know that E likes Flood of Fire. W is not facing south but sits third to the left of R, who likes Family Life. So I know R likes Family Life. Then it is given that W is not facing south and sits third to the left of R. So if W is not facing south, which direction should W face? W definitely has to face north, correct? So W has to face north. So W has to be in this line, and it is also given that he is sitting third to the left of R. So if you see how many people are there in this row, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So where are the possible places where W and R can come? See, if this is R, okay, if this is R, where can W be? W has to be third to the left of R. So W can be 1, 2, 3 here. Or if this is R, where can W be? 1, 2, 3. W can be here. So I have now 2 possible cases. I don't know which is the correct one. See, it is given W does not face south. So W has to face north. So W has to be in this row. Then it is given that W sits third to the left of R. And it is given R likes Family Life. I have noted it down here. So W sits third to the left of R means there are 2 possibilities. We have kept that. We have to find out which is the correct possibility. Now next, what is given? The one who likes Family Life. Who likes Family Life? R likes Family Life. Sits opposite to the one who likes Odysseus Abroad. So the one who likes Family Life sits opposite to the one who likes Odysseus Abroad. So again 2 cases we have. In the first case, okay, the person who likes Odysseus Abroad is going to be here, correct? In the second case, the person who likes Odysseus Abroad is going to be here, because they have given that the person R who likes Family Life is sitting opposite to the person who likes Odysseus Abroad. Now look at this statement that they have given. The one who likes Odysseus Abroad is on the immediate right of L. So when you are considering people looking at south, right, which is your left and which is your right? See, assume that you are the person facing the south, then this has to be your left and this has to be your right, correct? Now what have they said? The one who likes Odysseus Abroad is on the immediate right of L. So I am considering the first case, okay, first case where W is here, R is here. So Odysseus Abroad has to be here. The person who likes Odysseus Abroad has to be here. So this person who likes OA is sitting to the immediate right of L. So immediate right of L means where should L be? L has to be somewhere here, which is not possible, correct? See here, according to this arrangement, this person who likes OA is coming at the extreme right end. What are they saying? They are saying that this OA is sitting to the immediate right of L, which is not possible. L has to be here then. Not the case. So this is not the arrangement that we are looking at. So this has to be the possible case that we are looking at. So R has to be here, OA has to be here, and this has to be L. So in that case, the given condition is satisfied. The person who likes OA is sitting on the immediate right of L. So now we can fix it, correct? See, I just wrote it down here to make you understand. Now I am going to fix it in the final diagram that I am going to use. So this has to be W, and this has to be R, and this has to be the person who likes OA. Correct? That has to be the person who likes OA, and here this is going to be L. Okay, this is going to be L. Next, what is given? So you know R already likes family life, right? I am writing it as FL, family life. Then next, what is given? The one who likes W is not facing the south, but third to the left of R, who likes family life. The one who likes family life sits opposite to the one who likes audacious abroad, and the one who likes audacious abroad is on the immediate right of L, who does not like seahorse but faces someone who likes seahorse. So the person who is sitting here is the one who likes seahorse. Okay, that book. Now next, the person who likes Marvel and playing it my way respectively are not facing south. So what does that mean? The person who likes Marvel, okay, and playing it south, correct? That was the name of the book. The person who likes Marvel and playing it my way, they are facing the north. See, because it is given here that the person who like Marvel and playing it my way are not facing south, so they have to face the north. Okay, then it is given that K likes career of evil. So again I know K likes career of evil, so that I am noting down. Then the one who likes Marvel sits opposite to the one who is on the immediate right of F. V does not like seashore. N sits opposite to the one who is second to the left of the one who likes marvels. So now first take this last statement. What is given here? N sits opposite to the one who sits second to the left of the one who likes Marvel. So basically N is sitting in this opposite side. Okay, you see Marvel, we know that is going to face north and is going to be in this line. The person who likes Marvel is going to come in this line. So using the last statement, I can say that N is sitting in the opposite line. How am I saying that? See, it is given here that N sits opposite to the one who sits second to the left of the one who like Marvels. So definitely N is going to be in this line. Now there was one more statement that they have given. N sits at one of the extreme ends of the row and likes the life of others. So now I know that N is going to be in this line, and in this line I have already fixed one end, is L. So where should N be? N has to be here, right? I have fixed L here, so this has to be N. And what does N like? N likes life of others. So life of others, okay, LOO, let's write it like that. N likes the life of others. Then now what is given here? N sits opposite to the one who sits second to the left of one who likes Marvel. So where should be the person who likes Marvel come? The person who like Marvel has to be here, correct? This is the person who likes Marvel. Okay, Marvel, MA, let us put that as MA. So N is sitting opposite to the person who is second to the left of the person who likes Marvel. So this is the person who likes Marvel. Then see here in the first statement they have given that the person who likes Hang Woman and the life of others sit opposite to each other. So who is the one who likes the life of others? We have already found that to be N. So who is the one who likes Hang Woman? It has to be W. So W is the one who likes the book Hang Woman. So that also we have fixed. So who should be the person who is sitting here? It definitely has to be the person who likes playing it my way. Like playing it my way. PIW. I am putting it as PIW. Okay. So this is the person who likes playing it my way. Hope it is clear, because we already found out that the person who likes Marvel and playing it my way will be facing north. We have fixed everybody else. So the last person here in this group is this person who should like playing it my way. Now next, what is given? Now we have to fix the people in this side. Okay, let us try to do that. The one who likes Marvel sits opposite to the one who is on the immediate right of F. So the one who likes Marvel sits opposite to the one who is to the immediate right of F. So where should F be? F has to be here. Okay, immediate right of F person sitting is this one, and this person is sitting to the person who likes Marvel. So I have fixed the position of F, and then here it is given that there is only one person between F and K. There is only one person between F and K, means this has to be K. So who is this person who is left here? Okay, we have to fix one more person. Now again, the only people we are left with is P and E. They had mentioned somewhere that P and E are sitting opposite to each other, correct? Where did they give that? See, P sits opposite to E. Now I need to know where to place P and where to place E. But here they have already given that E likes flood of fire. Okay, so can I place E in this line facing north? I cannot, because here nobody likes flood of fire, right? There is already one person who likes hang woman, one person who likes play it my way, one person who likes Marvel, one person who likes family life, and one person who likes seahorse. So I know that E likes flood of fire. So E definitely has to be here, and he should like flood life. Okay, E should like flood life, and then the person here, who is the person here? It has to be P. So P is the one who should be liking Marvel. Now what are we left with? See, we already know that K likes carrier of evil. So K likes carrier of evil, that also we have fixed. Then only book that we are left with, right? We have filled the books everywhere. Now the only book that we are left with is ancestral affairs. So L is the one who likes ancestral affairs. That also you can fix. Now here you are left with two places, that is this place and this place. Now they have mentioned that V does not like seahorse. So definitely V should be here, and the only place now we are left with is here, and who should come there? It has to be T, because everywhere else we have filled. So this is the final arrangement that you get. Okay, so you have W who likes hang woman, V who likes playing it my way, P who likes Marvel, R who likes family life, T who likes seahorse. Then in this line you have N who likes life of others, K who likes carrier of evil, E who likes flood of fire, F who likes Odyssey, and L who likes ancestral affair. So this will be the final arrangement that you get. Okay, see, the thing is, in this question lot of information are given here and there. In some questions, when you see, all the information will be given in a flow. In that case, it is easier for us to do it step by step. But this question, unless you read it once and again go back, you will not be able to get the arrangement, because some statements are here, some are on top. So you will have to reread and then take respective statements and do the arrangement. Now let us look at the questions that follow this. Who among the following likes seahorse? So who among the following likes seahorse? T likes seahorse. F likes which of the following books? F likes Odysseus Abroad, that is 4. Which of the following is matched correctly? Yes, second one is 4. Now give me the answer for the third one. Which of the following is matched correctly? So which is matched correctly? V likes playing it my way. 4 of the following are alike in some way. Find out the odd one. So what's the answer for that? 4 of the following are alike in some way. Find out the odd one. K and V, right? They are sitting opposite to each other. Similarly, F and R are sitting opposite to each other. The only odd one out here is F and R are sitting opposite to each other. K and V are sitting opposite to each other. And who's the only odd one here? It has to be T. Correct? Yes. Odd one is T, because others are facing opposite to each other. Yes, correct. Everybody is getting that. See, these two are facing opposite to each other. These two are facing opposite to each other. So the last option we are left with is T, who is the odd one.